In stunned silence, the midnight clouds conspire to form an alliance, framing the moon so we night owls can witness her fire. Magnificence in heavenly pyres. The stars bow in union, a flowing waterfall of light, spraying the night, giving their princess the admiration she deserves, her space in the light. The wolf howls in appreciation at the entertaining light show greeting that the exuberant sky is maintaining. In the wolf's fleeting mind he sees perfection, glistening like winter frost-coated pavements, an open doorway upon a world of everything. The shy hedgehog shakes shivery spines, distracted by the wonderland of a winter sky, fairies relighting the stars one by one, singing to themselves a gentle winter's song. The lone man stands on his doorstep, shivering away the creeping cold grip that has slowly taken hold of his hands to lead him towards sleep-entrusted islands. Sleep can wait, he says, watching the stars as they gleefully play. Bones like icicles keep his skin from puddling into the paving stones. He looks, with eyes crusted towards the snow crystal hearts, the early sand drift of sleep dust making the view swiftly part, leaving only the ever-illuminating moon, the perfect ending to a tiring day.